Capila makes a digital solution to automate post-hair transplant support for patients. Clinics save time, and it works right out of the box. After a hair transplant, patients naturally have many questions throughout their recovery journey. For each patient, this is a unique experience filled with uncertainty. This creates a real challenge for clinics. While support teams see the same questions repeatedly from all patients, each person needs personalized attention, making routine support incredibly time-intensive for teams. Our mobile app supports patients throughout their recovery journey, with personalized recovery guides, instant answers via integrated AI assistant, and timely reminders, all personalized to their specific recovery stage. It is designed to be effortless for clinics. Simply add a patient's email and we do the rest, automating and elevating the recovery experience for both hair transplants clinics and patients. To learn more, go to capillahealth.com.